So this is what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. Now, if you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So we can clearly see that on our GBP, the trend is very clear. The trend is very straightforward. It says that we are in a downtrend move. That is it, right? Our trend says that we are in a downtrend move. Now let's go to our daily time frame so we will understand this movement and why we'll be expecting such a movement. First thing first, once again, we will want to see the trend and we can see that this is our low, which is a downtrend move. So we are in a downtrend move. This is our lower high. This is the lower low. So market eventually gave us a lower high here, and here comes the lower low, right? The market did. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then market did a lower high here, and here comes the lower low. Market eventually pulled back to form a lower high, and here is our lower low. So market has now finished forming its lower high. You can see that market did lower high here, and now it has now finished playing out, and it has now finished forming its lower high. The next movement that will play out next on GBP will be a new lower low. So guys, we should be expecting Euro GBP to drop and form a new lower low. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So for this 4-hour time frame, we should be expecting a rejection from this zone, because if you take a look at it, there were multiple rejection at this zone. So first rejection here, second rejection, and this is our third rejection, and made market to drop. So now this is another rejection zone here, so which is two rejections. So with this second rejection, we should expect it to actually make Euro GBP to drop and form a new low, thereby clearing this low and also clearing this low. So a bearish move for the day, what we should be anticipating for on our Euro GBP. If there be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.